Nakadaw ka Jur Palat ka Dheng kali nakaliang ka Meghalaya State Planning Board hynne ka sngi ka Lum Jingialang jo kisau tylli ki Tnad Sorkar khnang banyo ya kilat ki lynti kumno ban tehlakam ya ka Haba kren bat kilat pathai Khubor chairman ka State Planning Board Bah Metbah Lyngdoh iathuh bah ka Jingialang lawan lut naduh ka Tnad kampohiing ka Jylla ka Urban Department Public Works Department bat kumjuh na ka Tnad Education iathuh ru shen ka board kan sakandu biang banyak kren sani halor ka tekaman khnang bakin la ban ai jingmut pat shaka sorkar.
Immediate solutions which we came across today from the police department is basically lack of manpower. They have lack of manpower. Whatever manpower that they have been assigned as far as traffic constables are concerned, they have only 150 assigned constables for the entire, all the 7 police stations. And that was the strength of, at that point of time when they had only 2 or 3 police stations. So that is the immediate solution which we will recommend to the government to immediately place before the Home Department more constables to be available on the ground. Because as of now only 100 and they are having almost 400 home guards. So the home guards, we can't expect too much from them. It's the job of the police department. And the Home Department also, they said that they have been working on it, that they will be placing this immediately. To regulate those who are driving, those who are violating the traffic rules and so on. So it is, it's a different city, no doubt about it. That's why 2018 I had suggested that it's high time that the government should move out of Shillong and make a brand new city there. So the government has done it and they're moving in that direction. But how do we do now as far as Shillong is concerned? That is where we are, and we will try to do the best to ensure. Now I will not say anything as far as that is concerned because we have not come to conclusion. Let the board decide about all these points to be suggested by everyone.
You said about the number of public personnel, but don't you think that number of road is less and number of vehicles are more?
In the next meeting, we are going to have the detailed presentation from the department with regard to Shillong city in particular. And we have traffic congestion, especially in the school hours, morning and evening, in the afternoon, after the school hours. During that time, you'll find so many cars are on the road, picking up their own children, right, from schools. And in the morning, dropping their own schools. So, Urban Department have started that STEM scheme, where we could see there a bit of, numbers which has come down from the number of vehicles during that period to whatever it is now. But again, this number of vehicles add up to the number of. But however, instead of 12 cars, 13 cars, only 1 bus can. So that I think is one thing.